What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies. Oh, don't turn your back on me. I'm here.
So I'm gonna have some breakfast, and that's actually gonna be a double espresso, a bagel, and that's like an almond butter protein shake. And I thought I'm gonna, well, let's talk about that later. Let's do first breakfast, workout, and then we'll talk about it. All right, guys, so what I want to talk about is, before I actually hit the gym, is that, you know, the routine itself is very repetitive. So people are saying, well, you know, Mark, I watch your videos and you're doing always the same stuff. Well, this is the whole point of documenting it, because what a lot of people don't understand is if you want to get results, then you obviously have to do the same thing over and over again. That's why I decided to probably cut down my videos. Instead of doing every single day, I'm probably gonna film 2 or 3 days and then bring out one video. So you can watch sort of what happened. But I don't want to bore you in terms of, you know, me doing the same stuff over and over again. At the end of this whole challenge, after 4 months time, you're gonna see the transformation video. I wanted to document it all, and I still will, but I'm just aware that some people are saying, well, you know, I'm not watching all of the videos because they're all the same. So that's why I'm deciding, or as of now, keep filming, but we're bringing out one video which wraps up 2 or 3 days. Just to give you sort of heads up. Let me know in the comment box below if you think that's a good idea. And yeah, so now we're hitting the gym. Boom, shake the room, everyone. So I was just at home, had a little, super little nap, like 30 minutes or something, a little meditation, bit of focus, and now I got my backpack back on and I'm gonna jump on the scooter. We have to go to Kensington now. You know where the Waitrose stabbing was? That's where we're gonna go now. Yeah, and then later on, after that I need to go back to the gym, got one more client there, and then heading back home. Simple as that. Busy day, and yeah, just thought I'll fit you guys in. Finally, sun is out. It's time to wear, you know, well, not really fully summer gear, but yeah, that's hopefully gonna change here in the UK soon, that we get a proper summer, like summer. Anyway, a lot of clients are on holiday already, like a lot of my kids clients, which I have, you know, the teens, they're all, you know, going with their families and stuff, so it's a bit quieter for me, which is a nice thing, but then at the same time I'm getting new requests online. I've got like, I think last week I had 7 or 8 new contacts coming in, which is good. Yeah, and now I have to go. I'm procrastinating. Let's go. Yeah, so it's sunny today, as you can see, and we're here in Kensington Hills or something, and this is called. So we're on the top of a hill, where actually we just climbed the hill, and you can see it's really super lovely, this area. Houses are super expensive here, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you a bit of a panoramic view of what's going on here. Red light. But red light doesn't seem to mean anything because no one's driving. She was laughing as well in the car. Yeah, so we're close to Westfield Shopping Center. I mean, not close, like it's probably another 15 minutes or something. I just need to see that we need to get to the other side of here. Is it this one? No, it's the next one, I think, up here. Yeah, here it is. Here we need to climb the hill. Oh shit. Yeah, this is gonna be hard work for my little scooter. This one is called Holland Park. Anyway, at least we're a little bit faster than the normal passenger just walking. But it's still very steep. Last time I nearly hit a bike coming out of here because they're super fast. But yeah, here you go, this Holland Park. You can see that a lot of kids, they've got a soccer thing going on because of the World Championships. And so this Holland Park over there, as you can see, here's like a gallery or something on the side. And now we're heading basically straight to the Waitrose coming down. It says, cycling low, lane closed, please be very careful, blah blah blah. So, and now we're basically straight at the bottom of Kensington. Welcome. Right there. This is the Waitrose, by the way, where this stuff happened. And I was just sitting next to there where the window is. And the guys ran in there and then all the stabbing happened. But anyway, not today. Different focus. Yeah. And my client, they live around here. So let's do this. Yo guys, back home. I'm just eating a bowl of fruit. And it's a mixture of mango, grenade apple, ananas, and grapefruit. Yeah, so these are all really rich in antioxidants. And it's nice having that at night. I enjoy that. And a bit of coconut water here. So like I said, guys, the video series is going to continue, but in a different fashion. So the videos are probably going to be a bit longer, let's say 10 to 20 minutes. And it's going to wrap up 2 or 3 days in one go, because I think it just makes sense that way, because it's repetitive, that's the right English spelling. And yeah, I just don't want to bore you, and make sure that you get the most out of these videos. Important is though that leave questions in the comment box below, because that way we can make these videos more interesting. And I like answering questions. Sometimes it's hard for me to think of something a novice or someone wants to know about fitness. So I get asked so many questions from my clients, but it's this thing of, right, when you answer a question, you think, well, you answer the question now, so everybody should know about it. But obviously I've got 480 videos now on YouTube, so they're like, which video was it? I have no clue. So that's why I'm probably repeating myself sometimes, and it's just how it is here on YouTube. You sing the same song and it reaches different people, so I guess that's what it is. Anyway, not gonna bore you any longer. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow with a different video. I don't know how this is gonna go ahead. Leave a comment in the comment box below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See, you got a bit of it. And I need a haircut as well. Good night.